Hello dear Andrew. We introduce here a new feature for you, that is a location based shipping. If you have multi-location origin store, then this will definitely help you. So for understand this feature, let me give you an example. So here with my example, you can see I just created two different product. One is for product from US origin, one is product from UK origin. And I have two different origins here, one for the US and one is for the UK, and two different zones for the destination for the UK and for the US. Okay, so let's calculate the shipping based on this example. So you can see here the destination is UK. For example, I set the destination with UK for the order, and now if I add a product to the cart from US origin, then the price will be 30. And if I add product from the UK origin, then the price will be 10. Okay, now the question is, if I have a mixed cart, like one for the product origin US, one is for the product origin UK, then in that case what happened? So the thing is, like, let's go for the add product with the cart for the US origin, and the price will be 30. So what product shipping rate by zip code doing is, in this mixed cart ratio for the location, we are just adding this two shipping price and give you a new rate, that is the 40, because user add product from UK and product from US origin. So the price will be 10 plus 30 equal to 40. Now let's understand this example with the real demo on the Shopify store. So here you can see I just create a UK product, that is the product from UK origin, and this is the product from US origin. First of all, I just add product to the cart with the UK origin as per the example. So now you can see I just go to the checkout, and you can see here the shipping price is 10 because the United Kingdom is the origin, destination, and United Kingdom product with the origin. So the price will be 10. Now let's go to change the destination with US, and here I change and continue. Now you can see the price will be 30 because the product origin is UK, and here you can see the price is from UK. So it's like the below scenario, that is the destination is US and the product is from UK. So this is the product from UK and the price will be 30. Okay, now let's continue with the mixed cart. If I have a mixed cart, then what happened? So I just add product from US, go to the checkout, and now you can see the price will be 40 because your destination is US. Okay, the product from UK is a 30, but the product from US is a 10. So here the product from US is a 10, and the calculation of adding these two price will be 40. So the shipping will be 40. So hope this new feature is helpful to you on your multi-location store. Thank you.